We are moving, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
And our imagination's gonna come like this.
And you never been to one of these?
Yeah, I have. We don't know you guys. Is it recording?
Yeah.
If you can see, we're in a car wash right now.
Oh my god.
I wonder if they can make some of your officers.
What is that, rubber or what?
It looks like it's raining. It sounds like
I can't wait till it's a rainy day.
Are we moving?
5 minutes.
This is not a good Look at that. I don't know if we're moving or that's moving.
No, we're moving.
We're moving.
No, it's not moving because that doesn't move.
No, we're moving. You move that way, I move this way.
You know feel that?
That's you.
Let's record you. Hi, this is the web.
We're right here in the car wash. Evelyn, Zuli, her dad.
All in his face.
And then we're here, like you can see the rubber strip.
Las placas aquellas.
And then you see them girls over there?
No, you can't.
Alright, then we'll